Question 4. P.S. There is a deck of 10 cards numbered from 1 to 10. What is the probability of selecting 2 even-numbered cards and then, without replacement, selecting 2 odd-numbered cards? Solution: without a replacement. This means the first selection has not been replaced by another identical item before the second selection. We have to find the probability of selecting 2 even-numbered cards and then selecting 2 odd-numbered cards without replacement out of a deck of 10 cards numbered 1 to 10. Note: change in the denominator on the second calculation because the first 2 cards selected are not replaced. There are 10 cards in total, 5 of which have even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, written on them, and the remaining 5 have odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, written on them. This is another AND question, so we have to find the product of the 2 probabilities. Probability of choosing 2 even-numbered cards. We can choose 2 out of the 5 even numbers in 5 choose 2 ways, and the total possible selections will be choosing 2 out of 10 or 10 choose 2. Therefore, the probability is 5 choose 2 over 10 choose 2, which is equal to 5 times 4 over 10 times 9, which is equal to 2 over 9. Probability of choosing 2 odd-numbered cards without replacement. We can choose 2 out of the 5 odd numbers in 5 choose 2 ways, and total possible selections will be choosing 2 out of the remaining 8 cards. Therefore, the probability is 5 choose 2 over 8 choose 2, which is equal to 5 times 4 over 8 times 7, which equals 5 over 14. Thus, the probability is 2 over 9 times 5 over 14, which is 5 over 63. E is the correct answer. Answer: E.